So tell us a little bit about what you're going to be up there teaching.
So we've got some really cool stuff up there. So we have a sales class up there. It's called "The Customer Said No." Now what? And we're all pushing real hard. We want to make sure we got everything. We go into all the detail and everything like that, and it's like wham, and then we get the no, and it's like, oh crap.
Takes the wind right out of the sail, doesn't it?
Oh man, I'll tell you what, puts a hole in the side of the boat. You hear the Jaws music coming in. I'm telling you, it's bad. But the reality is there's a way to handle that. Most people hear the no and they think it's like, oh crap, they don't like it. But the reality is if the client didn't want to work with you, they wouldn't even say no. They'd just say, give me my keys, and they're out. The fact they're saying no, right? And this is the mistake we make. The fact they're saying no is they're genuinely saying, I'm interested,
but not today.
But maybe not today. Maybe I just don't understand the value enough, or I don't understand the repercussions enough, or there's something they're missing.
Right.
A lot of times that's what happens when you get an objection. But what we tend to do is when we hear an objection, we kind of do the old Kevin O'Leary bit from Shark Tank, right? Where you're dead to me, get out. And it doesn't have to be that way. It shouldn't be that way. So it's a really fun class. Anybody that's been in one of my classes, I hope you've learned something, but had fun at the same time.
I've learned a heck of a lot from you, Rick. Even when I was when you were my coach, I learned a heck of a lot from you.
I appreciate that. I really do. But this business is serious enough. We got to start having some more fun. I think that's important. But it's a great class. You're going to walk away with it. Some really actionable strategies and techniques that are going to help you be more successful dealing with people that put some resistance up. And again, resistance isn't a bad thing. It's just them wanting you to slow down a little bit. Right.
Yeah, I understand. So that's a great service advisor class, and even an owner's class.
It's a great owner's class. I'm going to tell you what, you can send your advisors to this class. Absolutely. But my question to you is, what happens when that advisor leaves and someone else comes in? Yep. See, if the owner comes into the class, it doesn't matter who's on that front counter. He can show them how to do it.
Teach them. Yep.
So it is a good owner's class as well, for sure.